right, hello people watching this video. We're going to do the last 2 problems on the review, and then we're going to get some whiteboards out. So feel free to watch as much as you want. You don't have to watch at all if you feel comfortable and are ready for this test tomorrow. We have to plug the last 2 vertices in to our profit equation right here. Did you guys get this plugged in? Maybe? Yeah. 3x minus 2y and 3x minus 2y. So my numbers were 5 and 2 and 1 and 2. Okay, if you do 5 and 2, 3 times 5 is 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. Okay, that's my maximum at this point. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Okay, so of those 4 numbers, we got negative 5, negative 1, 11, and negative 1. Okay, what is the maximum?
5, 2.
The maximum is 11 at, I'm going to say 5, 2. 5, 2. That's what we want to list. Okay? And the minimum occurs at which one? Minimum, smallest number. 1, 4, right? That is where negative 5 is located, right? So that's my max and my min. There we go. Okay? Good? Happy with that? That is the second to last problem. Now we got to do the last one. Lots and lots and lots of things. Ready? Okay, so here we go. We've got, do you want to do this one together or try this one on your own?
We can do it together, you know.
Together, you know? Okay, sure. Y is greater than or equal to negative 2. How do you graph that? Y is greater than, you go to negative 2 on the Y and do a horizontal line, okay? And it's solid, right? A solid horizontal line. And shade above?
Yes.
Shade above, okay? Second one, y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 4. Okay, then what?
Go down.
Start at negative 4, yeah?
Up 2 over 1.
Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Okay, solid line again. And greater than is above. So we got those 2 lines going on now. All right, we're doing okay so far?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this one, I want to solve for y. I want to get y by itself. Okay, so what do we need to kick over first?
Minus x.
Minus the x. Are you with us, Logan? Okay. Minus the x, minus the x. So I have 2y, negative 2y, is greater than or equal to negative x minus 1, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then what?
Divide by negative 2.
Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. So we switch the signs, right? It goes less than or equal to. What is negative x divided by negative 2?
2x.
Whatever's in front of the x.
1.
1. That is, the negatives cancel.
So just 1/2.
1/2 x. Yep. Okay. And then negatives cancel again. So
1/2.
plus 1/2. Yep. Yep. Okay. Now we're going to graph him. Okay. Starting at 1/2, which is above, 1/2 above, and up 1 over 2, so about there, and up 1 over 2, so about there. He still does cross nice, actually, as ugly as the fractions are that we're getting. Oh, right here. Yeah. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, and shade below. Okay, so do you see? I have a mess going on here. Like, it doesn't even look like anything. What's like triply shaded? The triangle in the middle. He is an obtuse triangle. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If you want to get into some geometry terms. Obtuse triangle. Okay. There he is. Whatever. Okay. We need to know really just this point, and this point, and this point for now. Okay. Let's do the bottom left one. Where is he located? Yep. Negative what?
Which one?
This one right here. Shh. That one. I don't think so.
-5.
Negative 5, negative 2, I believe. Okay, the top one. What is 3 comma positive 2?
Oh.
Yeah, and then this bottom one down here is
1 negative
1, negative 2. Okay, now, almost done. We have to plug those into this guy right here. 4x minus y. So we're going to do f of negative 5, negative 2, f of 3 comma 2, and f of 1 comma negative 2. And we have 4x minus y, 4x minus y, 4x minus y, 4x minus y. Okay. Negative 5, negative 2, 3, 2, 1, negative 2. All right. Woo.
Minus 20.
Okay, minus 20. And then minus a negative would be plus 2. So it's negative 20 plus 2. Negative 18. Okay, that's where he is, right? Okay, the second one, 12 minus 2 is 10. Okay, that's where that one's at. And this one is 4 minus a negative, so 4 plus 2 is 6. All right, so maxes and mins, here we go. Where is the maximum? 3, 2. So I'm going to say max at 3, 2. There you go. Okay, min at negative 5, negative 2. There we go. Okay, happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, good? Yeah? All right, I'm not going to collect these yet. I'm going to have you guys hold on to these because if you so choose to study for this test tomorrow, in addition to what we've already studied, because we've already studied a lot for this test, take a look at those. Use that to study if you so choose, okay? We're going to do a couple problems on the whiteboards, not very many because we don't have very much time left. But here they are. Let me go scroll all the way down. So the 7th period has decided that maybe the stuff that's probably the trickiest is maybe substitution and elimination. Yeah? What's up? Yes. Just substitution.
Yeah.
So I did one of each, and I said, okay, let's do this one substitution. Let's do substitution first. Okay? Substitution on this problem. All right? Substitution on this problem. Okay? Now keep in mind that when you substitute, you have to solve for one. All right, now you have 4 options. Which one's the easiest to solve for?
The X, the lonely X.
The lonely X. Lonely X. Olivia called it the naked X, 7th period. I'm like, I like it because I'll never forget it. The naked X. Because it's naked. It doesn't have a number with it. The naked X, right? So there you go. All right, so we're solving for the naked X. Okay, solve for the naked X, and then you plug it into the top X, right? Okay, do that. You always want to solve for the naked one, right?
This is going for a pen.
You do this on the whiteboard,
I
right?
know.
Yes.
For
Go
tomorrow.
ahead and do this on the whiteboard.
Add 2y, right?
Yes. Yeah. Yep. Yep, and then plug it into the top. I'll give you some time. Okay. What?
I don't understand number 11.
Okay,
And
I'm
do
coming back to
I
help.
use 12? Like, do I use the numbers from 11? Because this is
What are you
apple
doing?
diameters.
Hold up.
What do you mean? This is not talking about apple.
Hey, Jack.
Stop. Nope.
It's not my fault.
Nope.
4, 34.
Would be negative.
What?
14 equals
Okay, for
Isn't
this,
it-
it says
it's
the coefficient of variation. Is that the
Or
standard
what?
deviation?
You don't, you plug that in for the 5x, and you solve that, which will give you y, and then you plug the y back into this.
So I do that for these numbers and these numbers.
Oh, you're solving for
And
the
then
y
it
graph.
says,
So it's
You
just,
plug this and just spit.
without the
that.
y, you just do 2 plus 12, 5 times 2 plus 12.
so it's their standard deviation.
2y plus
So it
12
goes,
Great.
back x.
I know, but how do you do the y?
So you'll go
Because
5
one might have more
times
variation, like SAT scores
2y
are like in the hundreds
plus
versus
12
ACT scores.
There isn't the
SAT scores,
minus
thousands.
right,
2y
right, SAT scores are gonna have a bigger standard
equals
deviation
4.
or relative
Then
to
you
the
solve all this.
Chloe,
Is it
quit.
Is
It's
this
like
Okay.
Emma's height versus
This is like
Now you
I
do
Quit
y.
cheating.
Like that
I
here.
can't compare the two, right? Okay.
Oh, okay. Let me do
We're not with the attitude.
Okay, okay,
No.
let me get
No
you straight
way.
here.
Okay, so if you are stuck, are we on the board? If you are stuck,
Yes, we are.
You add the 2y over, right? Plus 2y plus 2y. So x equals what?
12 plus 2.
12 plus 2y, sure.
Yes.
Or you can do 2y plus 12. It doesn't matter, right? Now, where do you put this in at?
5x minus.
Right, I put it in there, right? Okay? Logan, do you see that? So rather than 5x, I'm going to put that stuff, the 12 plus 2y, in for the x, right?
But it's 5x.
It's 5x, yeah. So I have to take this times 5, right? At the
Yeah,
end?
It will be like 5 times 6. 60.
Yes. Hold on, I'm going to keep writing. So what comes after this? Minus 2y equals 4. Okay, now, can you do it from there?
Yep.
Okay, now finish distributing through and figure out what your solve for y and then plug it back in, okay?
I did it. I did it right.
How do you know your answer's right?
I just do.
Because we're
How
smart.
did you get y
Wait.
equals -7
Oh,
when I got
no,
y
my
equals
fault.
-4.6 repeating?
Huh?
Look what I did.
I'm sorry, what?
Okay, so I added 2y to get that by itself, so that's 12y, right? Plus 6
It's on the same.
Six,
Now, no, I'm gonna leave the big y over here.
4 minus 60, negative
All the
6.
time.
Yeah.
Yep, minus 60, minus 60, yep.
8 epsilon.
You get an answer.
-7.
Yep.
Ah, yes.
Negative
Now plug negative 7 in for that.
Negative 56.
So 2 times negative 7.
56 divided by
So
2.
over x.
So y is -7, there you go.
I'm stupid.
Y is -7.
Oh,
Alright,
I saw.
I'll do a little more. We'll do a little more.
Ah, yeah.
I just add more than needs to be added more to. That's,
Yep.
yeah.
Then you subtract.
She's just a little extra.
Yeah, I
She's
make
just a
more
little
complicated
extra.
than it needs to be.
I don't know about that little part.
Subtract.
So-
She sure is
both
extra.
sides.
Mhm.
It's good
Negative
to be
2.
extra.
56 times.
People that are
Well,
lacking
1 divided by negative 2.
Oh, yeah.
make up for it.
Sure.
It's 8.
No, negative 6.
Haha, there's y. Okay,
Right. Good job, Brian.
insert last image. No, I don't want to do that. Okay.
Wow.
Over 100%.
That sucked too.
Got it.
Sure.
What?
Oh shit.
Should it be over 100%
What are you talking about?
on the coefficient?
No,
variation?
just convert it to a percentage.
So like 116 is okay.
No.
Oh.
No. Did you take the standard deviation divided by the average?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. You did the other way around.
Jack, which
No.
one did you plug in?
Maybe.
I did not.
The second one.
I just
Put it
might have
either
got
the
the wrong
top right, the
answer.
5x or the minus 2.
No, you don't do either one.
It's all.
You plug it in when you're substituting. You always plug it into here. Because I already have the X solved for it,
Exactly.
right?
Well, I meant like for.
No. No.
Okay.
No. You don't plug it into either one of these because you've already solved for X. So you plug the Y in there to solve for X.
And where do
Don't ever plug it in here.
Preach it,
You've already got
sister.
X's solved for.
I
Right?
Even
For substitution, X is already by itself. So you can plug it in here if you want to, but you're gonna have to move around and solve for X, but you've already got it.
It's easy.
Right?
So then, I'm confused what I do after that.
What do you mean?
You solve for X and then you have the answer.
Yeah.
Okay? -2, -7. What does that thing mean?
Like I said, I know my answer's correct.
Where the lines intersect. Yes. If I would graph these two lines, they would intersect at that point. -2, -7. Yeah? Yes?
Yes,
All right. Let's do a different one. Let's do elimination.
the better one.
This is not.
This is where you multiply one of the equations by something. Now,
Is it the same?
let's start you out here. Do you want to eliminate the x's or the y's?
Why?
Why?
Okay, the y's. This is 4 and this is 1 basically. So
So 4 times.
I need to do what?
4 like.
Multiply the top by
4.
Negative 4.
-4. Multiply the top by a -4, right? To get it to cancel. Okay, so do that. Rewrite the bottom and then cancel out your stuff.
Come on, strong.
Okay?
Hey, I don't know
It's
where I went wrong. Because
It's negative.
the standard deviation on the first one, I got
108.
7.78.
Ethan, did you get negative 108?
X minus.
And then for the average, I got
Okay,
6.7.
Focus.
So that's
I got 100
that's
negative 8.
How much is
How?
For-
Where did I go wrong? Because I used
8
this equation.
7 times 4 is
That-
80, 108.
35
Yes?
equals.
3.
What is it?
What is it, Jack?
I never had a
Let's go
calculator out.
minus, of course, because I forgot.
I just don't want to get mine out.
Einstein.
Huh?
No, I guess I'll
Yes.
just get mine out.
Yes, what's
27
yes,
times
ma'am.
negative 4. 700.
What? 108? Minus. Minus. Bro, I'm genius.
Yeah, you're right. It's
I'm
negative 108.
genius.
What?
108 me.
What is?
Negative 4 times 27.
35 minus
So I was close.
Okay.
minus 105. How to do this?
108. Negative 108 is 27 times 4. FYI.
I don't know how to do.
Oh, I did that in my head because I'm just not good.
So
Okay, are you watching,
more like
Logan?
45%.
Multiply, multiply, multiply. What's negative 4 times 8x?
Minus 100.
Negative 32x. What's negative 4 times 1y?
4 minus. 4
Minus
y.
4y. Okay. What's negative 4 times 27?
108.
Negative
Minus
108. Okay, then I'm going to rewrite this one below it. Negative 3x plus 4y equals 3. Okay? Now,
Minus 35.
this goes
is
away. Okay? Negative 32 minus 3
The things.
is minus 35x
105.
equals negative 105.
Yes.
Yes. And then what?
Then we don't want the minus, so the things
We got to divide. X equals. What's negative 105 divided by
X.
negative 35? What?
I'm not smart.
You can divide that. It comes out as a whole number.
5.
3.
Oh, almost.
3.
I don't
X
count
equals
it.
3. Okay, now we find the y. Where would you like to put it?
Up.
The top?
Yes.
Okay, the top. Sure, we'll do the top.
I did bottom.
Okay,
So
you did the bottom. So, 8
27.
times 3 plus y equals 27. What's 8 times 3?
27.
No.
24.
For real? Yeah, for real.
24. Minus the 24. So y is
3.
3. So I'm going to write my answer as
3.
3, 3.
Yes.
3, 3.
This will be in a test?
What?
This will be tomorrow in a test?
Yes.
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 I
Yes.
have 1 point.
Okay, if you, I'm going to say it again. I've said it before and I'm going to say it again. If you get through and find your first variable and you get a decimal,
You're wrong.
you're wrong. I'm not going to give you a decimal. Right?
It's-
Correct?
It's minus something.
It might, I don't know if it's minus something, but it's not like 3.1. That's wrong.
And it will,
It's
it
not
will-
going to be a decimal.
It will be like this.
What is that?
Something like
I'm sorry, what?
1 point. It will be not like this.
1/2? No.
Yes. It will be.
It will be a
number.
whole number.
Yes.
Might be negative. It might be a negative number, like negative
I don't
4
care.
or something,
I don't
right?
care.
No
Okay.
fractions.
But no
So-
fractions. No fractions, no
So
decimals.
it will be negative 4.
I have no idea. Don't quote me on that. I don't know. Okay, here's your next question. Are you ready?
Not really.
Okay.
Hold on.
Minus.
Are you ready? Find the slope.
11.
Find the m.
Find the
Mhm.
slope. Find M.
So do I want the bigger percentage or the smaller one?
The bigger percentage has more variation.
So what am I supposed to do? I got to this point. What is
the question?
Minus y.
Find the coefficient of
X2
variation.
minus
Blah, 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 blah.
this one I put
Then compare the
Done.
variation.
Ta-da.
I'm looking at
You
it.
would say,
minus this.
which one has more variation?
Automated judgment, they're making sure I'm right.
Chloe.
I'm not good with negative.
What'd you get?
Wait, is this one or
I'm
the?
dang it. My brain is
It's
fried
3.
Hold on.
There's minus.
If the whole
You
test
write
was
it
this,
down.
then I would pass.
This is because I said 9.
I'm not good with negative.
I don't know why.
Yo, I'm one of those. I'm one of those librarians that
Right.
like.
14.
It is not 3,
So,
it's negative
yeah.
4.
I was talking
What am I
about
doing?
negative 6 plus 9.
There's-
Thursday. It's Thursday.
Or they do it like with the tip there.
It's
because
Thursday,
there's
so-
like.
Ah, yes,
It
you got
equals-
it.
Tell me mean,
To
are we
answer
doing like
You
one
monster!
question, it is a Sonics error.
If we have time.
Oh, you're a monster.
Probably, really?
Okay.
What'd you get for your M?
4
4,
minus
-4.
-4. Okay, now
Oh, this is what I
Now.
write me an equation. What does an equation look like?
Y equals
Minus
mx plus
4.
b.
Y equals mx plus b. You just found
Again.
M, right? You just found M and said it was -4. How do you find the B?
You use one of these.
Use one of those. Does it matter which one?
No.
No.
No. Plug them in and find the B.
So I wanna.
Okay. So plug one of these in for X and Y and solve for B. You know that M is
So
-4.
I want to put what I want with which X because it's
It doesn't matter. Yeah, you
X2.
pick whichever one you want.
So
No, this is X1 and Y1.
oh, I mean X1,
Yeah.
2.
Yeah, whichever one. It doesn't matter.
So this would be positive.
Yeah.
If I put -6 in here, this would be 24.
But it will be good.
And then that would be -24.
Yeah, but what's the Y?
Well,
What's your Y?
which you use?
Jack, you done?
First
No, I gotta try how to
What
do
did I
this.
do wrong?
Now.
I forgot how to do this.
Miss Girl,
The first.
what did I do wrong?
9 times
this is
5.
So I plugged -9 and you plugged -9.
Okay, here's the problem. When you plug
-4.
plug 11, you plug -9.
Oh wait, now I remember how to do it. Wow.
Which then equals
I want to check if it's
11
the
minus
right.
36
Oh,
is
not.
-25.
Okay.
Whereas y
Then.
equals -25.
Both.
Now I
This is
remember how to
like
do this.
team checking.
Or do 36 minus 11.
Can I go to the bathroom?
No.
Is this
Uh,
your?
No.
Really one.
But
Oh,
the
yes.
36 is negative.
No, that's coming.
So you win.
I got it.
I'm trying to find you a hole.
24
Hole enough.
plus B, that's me it will
Y
be.
equals
Negative.
minus.
Oh, you put this. Oh,
Oh, I found a hole.
Hey, okay, now write the whole equation out. Write the whole equation out. Okay.
If I put- never mind. Yes.
Okay.
Huh?
If I put
Did you
minus
just plug
4.
the top one in? Most of you? No?
The first one?
The first one in?
Yeah.
That's what I mean. The first one in? Okay,
Yeah.
so if this is 11, whoop.
Not your.
If this guy is 11 and this guy is -9, okay? 11 equals, what's -4 times -9?
36.
Positive 36 plus B?
One
Yes,
announcement.
ma'am.
For
Minus 36?
tomorrow, we will not be running the MAPS testing schedule tomorrow.
Yes.
Negative 25.
Schedule,
No more.
only we will begin with third hour. So when students, when you get here in the morning, you will report to your
Third
third
hour
period
class.
It'll go 3,
Why you don't
then
have
second period.
2, then 1. 3, 2, 1, 4.
3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6.
It cuts out in here always.
So
You will-
students, when you get here in the morning, please report to your third hour class.
I think it is because
We're doing the lockdown.
band is first period and they're marching and they don't want to be interrupted by the lockdown drill because they have to march in a parade on Saturday. So I think that is why. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. But we'll blame band, right?
Who's in
here,
the
man?
Well,
We'll blame
More
band.
than half of us in here.
Okay. All right. So hold on. We're not done yet. Just wait a second. How do I write my final answer? Y equals.
X minus 25.
Minus 4, it's plus.
that's the negative. but-
Okay, there we go. Okay, let's do one more of those, same thing again, and then we'll be done. One more of those, same thing again.
And today we've done.
One more of those, same thing again.
You should make one
speaking
0.
gibberish, right?
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
make one 0, 0, and then like, yeah.
0, 1 is close.
Okay, I'm fine with that.
Okay.
I don't want
That's
to.
okay.
All right. Okay, do that one.
Epsilon did now. Minus
Try this one.
2.
Okay, it's always the same steps. Find the M, find the B. Find the M, find the B, find the M, find the B.
It's first day. I have 0 first.
It's almost
It's
right.
just that.
It's almost what we
Wait,
did.
no, it's plus 1.
It's hard for me.
Wow, that was a good one.
Hold on.
That was a good one.
What is minus?
Oh, you guys haven't got to cheat. Dang it. I
Yeah.
didn't even think about that. Cheaters.
It's 2.
Oh, I just dropped another whole one.
So
You get
when
it.
you when you write
You do your good work. You don't get it.
Because
You
X is
I know.
plus
I don't-
There's
I don't
ever-
know.
if there's ever an X
Scooby-Doo
that's
says,
zero,
oh my god. It's for dogs.
Alright.
You're lucky you got the last two.
Do you
Toby,
understand?
you're very lucky.
Yes, I
You got the last two.
Yeah. Last two, it was like.
All right.
Not done.
Do we have film today?
I just need some help.
No, we have pregame.
I forgot yours again. 4 times.
You've only like remembered to bring it once.
Did he?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, only once.
And what was that, last week?
No. Yes. No. Yes.
No.
I have white jersey.
Guess
I
what?
don't know. We have to use like.
You're
It's
second
an away game.
you also.
It's not
So,
my fault.
this is coming.
Goal third.
Why are we going all the way to the community center?
Nice work.
Because after a lockdown and thing, that's where we're
Thank you, Miller.
be actually
Nice
going.
work.
So I think
Got
that
you,
it's more for the teachers to practice than it is for you guys to practice because like in a normal like lockdown situation, we have no idea which rooms will be opened first. Like if Mr. Moore is gonna be on that end of the building, he's gonna open like Mr. Streff's room first, or if he's gonna be down on this end and open like my room as one of the first ones. So the deal is that we will walk down there, and whatever teacher gets down there first is the one in charge of making sure all the students are there.
And
So it's like, if you're the
Folks
first
arrive.
one, like, oh crap,
Good
right?
luck.
Like, I have to make sure that I check off all the students, everybody that comes down here. But we have no idea who's gonna be like the lead teacher, does that make sense?
Yeah.
So it's kinda like for us to practice, and like, in a tornado drill, we go down and we list off all the people who are there, whatever. So, I don't know, it's kind of like practicing,
see
like,
that.
when all of the students come in all at once,
I
like,
want to
how are
see
we
the
gonna
points.
organize that and make sure we have everybody.
no.
What?
Okay, alright, we're done.
I know it should be.
Okay, it would not be a bad idea to look over your review, especially the parallel and perpendicular ones. That's a good one to look over.
What do you
Like
mean?
what parallel and perpendicular means. So parallel
Negative
means you
reciprocal.
use the same slope. Perpendicular means you use the negative reciprocal slope when you're writing the equation. Okay? Alright, and that's all I have. I'm gonna stop the video.